Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. I am Daddy Reddss, the reggae ambassador, and I always cause a musical massacre. So yo, let me just deal with some vibes tonight, alright? Run it. Matter of fact, let the legend say something to me first. Talk to them, legend. Talk to them.
Hey, this is Nadine Sutherland. You're listening to Daddy Reddss on Scotch Bonnet Radio.
General B, kick it off with one called Friends Like These. Reality music would say.
Me can't believe me one of friends and set me up while me fit dead. Me can't believe over one event them all up put mark on me head. Me can't believe I you the dad. Me can't believe I you the dad. Me can't believe. Father God guide me, protect me from the evil that wants to me fall. Want me family, my friends, them want me well wishes, they give me them wants to be bad. But you protect me, guide me, you know make me lose it all. From 90 still love me, I carry the banner, me a represent that. Me started out there, me a go tell you straight, me know me so perfect. Me and me flaws and
real thing, man.
Me never do in the hurted. Me never instigate for me friend hurted. Cause me know life you can't go purchase. But me see to them morals gone. I know me could have dead and gone. Check me work hard to go build up me things and me see them want me drop back. Mentally hurt I do the top at. I will leave a night but me no stop catch. Father God turn the plan then look back. People see a life without a contact. Them bad mind and that are the real truth. And this what they do to me it a the damn proof. Father God guide me, protect me from the evil that wants to me fall. Want me family, my friends, them want me well wishes. They think me them want to be bad. But you protect me, guide me, you know make me lose it all. From 90 still love me, I carry the banner, me a represent.
General B, if we go fit the Rasta boy, all the fat boys and happy dead.
I won't leave my people and tell me about the things, but me have been stand for me and me man. I never kill one of me friend yet. I mean I do nothing when me regret. Me see the war where this could have handled. So me decide, me a go hold the bait. I boom back Friday, them want to kill me fat. So the box and the Friday take. So me a go roll off and the woman boom up the place fine. This shit show me say, can you back mind can't stop the progress. But they are still alive that needs to be blessed. The link don't right now, the link sees. But we still have with your success. Father God guide me, protect me from the evil that wants to me fall. Want me family, my friends, them want me well wishes. They give me them wants to be bad. But you protect me, guide me, you know make me lose it all. From 90 still love me, I carry the banner, me a represent that.
It's a real tune by General B. Yeah man, no joking thing. Real vibes. Whatever happened over there, I wish the item could get it together because, you know, I don't even know what to say. That's just crazy. The worst thing happened when friends, you know, end up frenemies, should I say enemies. That's terrible. In the meantime, yo, the next song, maybe we kick it off right now. I would play that one, but I'm not gonna do this one. I'm playing next one. Yo, big up all massive. Yo, share the live, coming alive, do whatever you have to do because yo, me respect uno, and there's more love. That's all we have to say. All right. But you know them can't style the boss, and that's what Mr. Nuffy say. When I first heard this song, I'm not surprised because I said Nuffy, you're a bad artist from a long time. And right now, this one called A Talk Them a Talk. MC Nuffy, sing your song, brother.
Arbic, I win. And a talk. Yo. Now. Body. Who no tell freaky Billy and sissy boy fly. The whole of them a get kick aside. Them dead. Boom boom. It's a small grenade. No fear the nuclear missile. Talk them a talk. Tell them can't move me. Them off watch me like a movie.
love that tune, yo. Nuffy. Dang bad. This one is called Talk Them a Talk. Get used to it. Nuffy, we can't wait for more songs. Send them come. We are gonna play them. Yo, run it.
Arby, I wait. And I talk. Yo. Now.
Tell them, champion.
Freaky Billy and Sissy boy fly. The whole of them a get kick aside.
Uh-huh.
Boom boom. It's a small grenade. No fear the nuclear missile. Them a talk, none of them can't move me. Them have to watch me like a movie. They not gonna look up people coming the groovy. Me and me own them absolutely. Hustle every day, night street like Snoopy. Nighttime on stage, I'm saying duty. Want to piss up them a cartoon like Joby. No fear the body, so me already prove it. Them say them a the world, but me say them a touch. Them never get all when shop come to bush. The whole of grunts when I'm bored, more they on me foot. And then you always set the place up. Yeah, me not pretty boy, but me girl them sush. Cause when you money tall, them not care about looks. Every weekend me book, flight I get to. Run the road, every cranny, every nook. Talk them a talk, none of them can't move me. Them have to watch me like a movie. They not gonna look up people coming the groovy. Me and me own them absolutely. Hustle every day, night street like Snoopy. Nighttime on stage, I'm saying duty. Want to piss up them a cartoon like Joby. No fear the body, so me already prove it. Them tell me run the gun off foreign and me can't come back. But me love to me call me not tell me back. So tell the little free road ras. You know what like nothing must be drunk or frost. Me was only for you, so me never got stop. Give me record for everything you see me got. So me nah make nobody come take his spot. You mad? You must see one me nail them knock. When you say MC, you say one and nothing. We call up Buster, DMX and Puffy. Call up Wycliffe, Ja Rule and Ashanti. Then call up your girl and take off her panty. Introduce the more stars in the country. From Beanie to Butcher, Berry, Salmon and Bunty. Cartel, Movado, Shango and Kalanchi. And every young artist, them granny all. None of them can't move me. Them have to watch me like a movie. They never look up people coming the groovy. Me and me own them absolutely. Hustle every day, night street like Snoopy. Nighttime on stage, I'm saying duty. Want to piss up them a cartoon like Joby. No fear the body, so me already prove it. Them say them a the world, but me say them a dush. Them never get all when shop come to bush. The whole of grunts when I'm bored, more they on me foot. And then you always set the place up. Yeah, me not pretty boy, but me girl them sush. Cause when you money tall, them not care about looks. Every weekend me book, flight I get to. Run the road, every cranny, every nook. Talk them a talk, none of them can't move me. Them have to watch me like a movie. They not gonna look up people coming the groovy. Me and me own them absolutely. Hustle every day, night street like Snoopy. Nighttime on stage, I'm saying duty. Want to piss up them a cartoon like Joby. No fear the body, so me already prove it.
Yo, let's hear the answer. Beagle Belly, how you gonna answer nothing?
It's a feel exciting. If I'm going to go wild, man. Give my way from papers. Them can't stop my universe. Them not in my class. Pass them a pass and pass. Time up them like one pass. Them can't stop universe. Them not in my class. Pass them a pass and
Beagle Belly with the answer.
pass them like one pass.
Here is nothing.
Look at me, sit, look it, man. But now go firm, look it. Black time, you know you love it. Then activity, send out puppet. Candy, see if you like, you look it. Christian, tell them and if you want, you love it. This being a basement of foreign, fuck it. Woman, them said, look, something okay. Them can't stop our universe. Them not in my class. Pass them a pass and pass. Fuck them like one pass. Them can't stop our universe. Them not in my class. Them pass them a pass and pass. Fuck them like one pass. Yes, let's go back to you and make them pass. That's like a forward, this is a retard. Mash up your piece of beton down the rock. CK aside up, man, give your plan. Remember your name and the word of face off. That's why the class and not steal your face off. Christian them pass and put your them and off. With needs of case, we not share no glass. Them can't stop our universe. Them not in my class. Them pass them a pass and pass. Pop them like one pass. Them can't stop our universe. Them not in my class. Pass them a pass and pass. Pop them like one pass.
Yo, Beagle Belly with the answer. But right now in this life, El Dino, Hear the song, people. Yo, these artists, them bad. Step up, yo.
But we still have to chat it. Mommy said we easy, no trouble, nobody. And the more you fight, the more your life a pain. So me have to work hard. Time is enough for play mad. Give away them life and get them family. So the next one in them house, so be with them off yo. Before me like 30, me rather work hard until me at 30. Them no want see me with nothing but remember the reason nobody can. Judge a please be a control. Enough of them want to be gonna be no one. Remember Jolly that him alone rule Jolly. In this life and in this ballet, road rocky but me still have to chat it. Mommy said be easy, no trouble nobody. And the more you find, the more your life a pay. So me have to work hard. Cause me see no for play hard. Give away them life and get them family. So the next man in them house, so we with them. Yo, I remember when me used to hustle, from down in a sun, when me used to struggle. Mommy tell me every make a muckle, so my boy hold my plate, tell me hustle up something. Cause Chacha always there, I can feel him standing here, feel him in the breeze and in the cool air. Chacha love will always there, when no one cares. And in this life and in this valley, road rocky but me still have to chat it. Mommy said be easy, no trouble nobody. And the more you avoid, the more your life a pay. So me have to work hard, cause me see no for play hard. Give away them life and get them family. So the next man in them house, so be with them off yo.
El Dino, one call in this life.
In this life,
Where Angel Eyes there? Wisely. Step up, Angel Eyes.
Every day we bring one name, one God, one destiny. The road when me chat one lane one. Now follow bad company. Although me growing at the ghetto, me a hold on a let go. In a life me choose my friends wisely. Cause I want let me out, so me a gonna leave it silently. God alone me put before me, him alone me give the glory. The race is not for the sake of me a end down. Watch how you step, watch how you move, watch how you gamble, them know you will lose. Watch out your friends, them know who you choose. Some of them will tell you I'm for your one pair of shoes. Show me your friends, tell me who you are. Check your associate, know who you are. In a life, if you want to be a star, you have to lead out, don't follow back and now. In a life, me choose my friends, them wisely. Cause I want let me up, so me a gonna leave it silently. God alone me put before me, him alone me give the glory. The race is not for the sake of me a end down. Them say food is the stuff of life, yeah. We don't break, so we take one slice. Now who sell out like with them the price, like with them the markups for the white rice. All when my back is against the wall, knees them weak and about to fall. If me can't run, then surely won't crawl. But me not gonna stop till me reach the star. In life, me choose my friends and wisely. Cause I want let me have some, you gotta leave it silently. God alone me put before me, I'm alone me I give the glory. The race is not for the sake of me I end down. Every day me pray one name, one God, one destiny. The road where me chat one lane one. Now follow bad company. Although me growing at the ghetto, me a wall and a leg out. You don't know angel I say so. Me a wanna. In a life me choose my friends wisely. Cause leave it all me.
Yeah, that's Angel Eyes, people. One call wisely. Out to Angel Eyes as we into Da Vinci. One call, where would I be?
Yo, really for entertainment. When we done that one, I can play a check. Believe me that.
If I never feel where would I be? You're the God of the light, and you rescue me.
Big up Da Vinci.
On my knees, that's why you set me free. I'm thanking you, Lord.
Clean music, we're free. Hear this.
It's in the darkness, so I stop my strength. And you I can rely when I need you. Shining on the mountain, the voice through the land. Lord, you are my Father, whom I can defend. If I never feel what I feel, every time I feel like you rescue me. While down on my knees, that's where you set me free. I'm thanking you, Lord, 'cause you provide my needs. So seeker, bring you up my water like Peter. Beyond fun of me, go money, I'm a sweater. Deliver me a talkie shoe. Now be me turban and khaki suit. Now be go to church when God you know we come back from camp prosper. Well, we come if I never feel what I feel. You're the God of the light, you rescue me. While down on my knees, that's why you set me free. I'm thanking you, Lord, 'cause you provide my needs. If I never feel only you, Lord, only you. Get up, say up, I feel like none of them can stop me. You never break a me, none of them can jam me. Make you pull up when them know you got me. If I never feel what I feel, you're the God of the light, you rescue me. While down on my knees, that's where you set me free. I'm thanking you, Lord, 'cause you provide my needs. If I never feel
Yeah, I am really the boss. I'm representing for every tongue to pass.
where we do so they die young, by knife or die by guns, yeah. And you please say R.I.P. Yeah. I know me don't know where them kill your father. Jah knows, yeah. Me don't know where them kill your father. I know me don't know where them kill your father. But Jah knows. Jah knows. Aye, so you know, so your true friend gone. When you 30, you can't stop by. Me heart moving a yearning call. Big man a cry like girl. The other day when my birthday passed, me and you a smoke and a drink and laugh. Never did know at the last time we a sit down and flash. Brother, me wish me coulda see you now. Me still have good advice to give you now. People tell me say life goes on, but me still miss you. Only Jah knows. I know me don't know where them kill your far. Me know where them kill your far. Jah knows. It hurt me so much. We see you gone. You never live. We see you gone. Me see your mother cry. I have funeral. The angel like us say you feed them all. We still lay down and kick it off. Still I call them name when me and Grizzly talk. Bad mind still a pray when the whip a pass. Me still a laugh. We have to reach same way. The brother still a make it song same way. Me hope say me a go see you someday. Though you gone, your memory stay. Brother, me wish me coulda see you now. Me still have good advice to give you now. People
People tell me say life goes on, but me still me say anyhow. Only Jah knows. The dogs then I hear that.
Yeah, my real thing.
R.I.P.
You know how I go, yo. You see the crime and violence thing? It really have to stop. Because right now, all this senseless killing, really, we don't know what's going on. You know, we need a better future for the children and children's. In other words, yo, we need to save our downline. So all these people out there thugging and bugging, yo, remember, we need to come together because the whole we're struggling. It don't make no sense, yo. To just pull a trigger, that don't take nothing. That's not hard. What takes heart is to not pull the trigger. You know what I mean? Don't kill your brother or your sister at all. Just walk away. So in the meantime, Queen Kamala, tell them about crime and violence.
Me say me tired, that me say too much blood I run. Jamaicans, we tired of the crime and the violence. Human, listen to your parents. If you're tired of the crime and the violence, community, why keep so silent? We're fed up of the crime and the violence. The people come, we make a difference. Leaders, they make a pledge of commitment. Why crime so frequent? Why so much killing? Why so much shooting? Why so much victim? You boy, you know I chuck it so. With the Glock in your hand, I bust it so. Kill it then you never let it go. All you put in people life is pain and sorrow. You live in daily, don't care about tomorrow. But I hell up for the house when the law bingo. Shedding innocent blood and I saw it go. I goes around, come back at you. We're tired of the crime and the violence. Human, listen to your parents. If you're tired of the crime and the violence, community, why keep so silent? We're fed up of the crime and the violence. The people come, we make a difference. Leaders, they make a pledge of commitment. Why crime so frequent? Why so much killing? Why so much shooting? Why so much victim?
Boxing, but every day them youth are not fist. I take them bread off a target practice range. While me to the youth them down a nickel down a range. Seems like some lose them brains. Question I can't get no answer. Don't have my beer, blend never non-flanker. Down a town, I said that them a mansa. Spanish town is the thugs and gangster.
We're tired of the crime and the violence. Human, listen to your parents. If you're tired of the crime and the violence, community, why keep so silent? We're fed up of the crime and the violence. The people come, we make a difference. Leaders, they make a pledge of commitment. Why crime so frequent? Why so much killing? Why so much shooting? Why so much victim? All we need a one chance, one opportunity to reset them and develop a community. We need money in a pocket, figure full up. He said nobody they a mark a store up. Politicians come around, them a play tricks. See the problem, no solution to fix it. The mortician and him friends, them a benefit. The penal system and the country in a crisis. We tired of the crime and the violence. Human, listen to your parents. If you're tired of the crime and the violence, community, why keep so silent? We fed up of the crime and the violence. The people come, we make a difference. Leaders, they make a pledge of commitment. Why crime so frequent? Why so much killing? Why so much shooting? Why so much victim? So tired of the crime and the violence. Human, listen to your parents. If you're tired of the crime and the violence, community, why keep silent?
Thank God we see the sun arise, and the youths them phone arise. The kids them left them no fit jeopardize. No one see no gonna rise. The girl them acting on the summertime. Who are resulting on the sun of I. You see that? No join no politics, no pick no side.
I work me a work tonight.
He's not
Them boy you know no respect or no standard. Them we kill all them friends with your grandpa. Y'all stop up, y'all over and stop kill them. Returning residents, the granny and the granddad. Them no member one aim, one destiny. Them no member one God. Make the one of the bubble, them a make a one try. And stop treat Jamaica like a bad.
Murder, too much murder. Killing the peace as we put on your face. Murder, too much murder. Lord, you tell me some things we never heard of. Thank God we see the sun arise. And the youth stand for the right. Streets in the fit jeopardize. No one see no gonna rise. No, they tell them nothing on the summertime. Who are resulting on the sun of vibes. No join politics, no pick no side. No one see no gonna rise.
When you take up badness, you feel no allegation. And I don't run a station. When you be someone and come home, and your dad asleep, and your innocent family, the wicked them away. As the shot them stack up in a paper, and your family you drop down on a paper. Two road you have to choose my youth, any one of them. Just take one, go keep your dance and be your one of dead man. And start show love and a finish and shake on. And stop the killing and the looting and the bag of nonsense. And try to be the next great man.
Hear that?
Murder, too much murder. Killing the peace, shut up, you put on your peace. Murder, too much murder. You tell do some things we never heard of. No, I'm not listening to sunrise.
Give thanks to life, health, and strength.
The mercy of Jah is so evident.
God. Yeah.
Let's change this thing, 'cause we don't know our lives may be uncertain. So let's cherish our day, so our life can live on. Let's cherish our day, 'cause we don't know our lives may be uncertain. So let's cherish our day, so our life can live on. Cherish our day, cherish the day, cherish our day. Let's cherish the day.
Well, me have to give thanks every day. Bread still a blow, such a jolly in the praise. Nearly cut short like when I hear a feel. So me live my life happy like a public holiday. Got to yes, I mean them all I see it, but my fall from my face. So you got me in the praise. Got to give them a system and the send them on a plane. And watch them fly away. Me a overcome the obstacles within and away. Give thanks to life, me not dead and no grave. Family and friends around bright smile like birds of peace. Live my life free like a bird, me not dead and no cage.
Cause we don't know our lives may be uncertain. So let's cherish our day, so our life can live on. Let's cherish our day, 'cause we don't know our lives may be uncertain. So let's cherish our day, so our life can live on. Cherish our day,
Give thanks to life.
cherish our day, cherish our day. Let's cherish our day.
Some boy we are no brother, much less my relative. Yo, get tired. Them no want see we no go check. No one will live the life like we no move it. She tell us she rate me, so that a phone me. I see that she come get this thing and the penny alright. So me can't do it, youth me approve it. Me never fight a war in a life, I lose it. Man, I feel like you bad mind, excuse me. Girl we pretty, girl we bad and bougie. I say just a jeep over me next trip.
I'm not doing that much talking because sometimes, yo, you gotta let the music do the walking, all right? So in the meantime, yo, just vibes with me and share the life. Rags and Riches from TJ. Big Sam.
As long as me got life, I'm okay. I'm alright. How are you? I am fine. Big up you, some more come from home. Man can tell about hard life. I'm okay. I'm alright. How are you? I am fine. Now I gave already same closet for 2 weeks. Yeah. People see me smile and then I know the youth sleep. Yeah. Jaden for mine, so the youth eat. When I see man a star, brother I'm shoot feet. Could do me a face size because for me show street. Yeah. Now see me a tough, them same one say the youth eat. Big up the day one you them must stay up in the studio. When me a voice so see how long did I sleep. Back to the biz, back to the biz. No just to see me yeah, ask to me is. Now we got it, the man like the biz. Now I can't hear me, can't trap on me like. Two pretty girls then, I give me job, I send them one link up and go back to the crib. Man I cheat at the game, no trap to the kid. Me left the price, some boy even not where they live. They want see how me doing, how me tell them good. No say them help me, and no say them good. No say them wish them never diss me. No see them and I say them should. Nah, I me not just care if I sleep or yard. If I even know the cash, you have to. And if I dead for man gone, legacy of the set before me gone. I tell us them me now worry about nothing. As long as me got life, I'm okay. Doing alright. How are you? I am fine. Big up the youth and where I come from. Man can tell about hard life. I'm okay. Doing alright. How are you? I am fine. Tell us them me now worry about nothing. As long as me got life, I'm doing okay. Doing alright. How are you? I am fine. Big up the youth and where I come from. Man can tell about hard life. I'm doing okay. Doing alright. How are you? I am fine.
Like I said, not too much talking tonight, all right? A joke. When we talk, but right now let the music walk.
It's all about Scotch Bonnet Radio, you know. Scotch Bonnet Radio, bun like pepper, you know. I want to them getting better and better. Mr. Easy, you don't know, so the girls them will prefer. Mud, Scotch Bonnet Radio, we tell them, say, yo, you killed him dead. On and on. There's no ifs, no maybes. On and on. Boom, yeah. Scotch Bonnet Radio. I'm at move.
This is Ozza lineage. One called They Don't Know. The real music we dealing with, people. No folly living around here. Fire bundle. Ozza.
They don't really know what it takes to survive. Why them fighting you when you aiming to stay alive?
Pull it up, Red. Pull up that tune and come again. Ozza lineage. This is the one called They Don't. What? No. There you go. Real music. We big up. From day one. We big up this artist because she bad. She mashups on what? Sting. Keep going, Queen.
They don't really know what it takes to survive. Why them fighting you when you aiming to stay alive? Them have the mama and them papa forgive them everything, so they never struggle. See, I get a girl like me have to help my family. One thing now we me used to survive. Ever alert and me nah left me life. In a me zone, pay attention to strife. No crosses out there, just a look at hide. Protection and when we step in at the street. Full jam myself, but me nah overdo it. After the battle, the victory is sweet. Perseverance over defeat. They don't know what it takes to survive. Why them fighting you when you aiming to stay alive? Them a the woman and them papa fi give them everything, so they never struggle. See I get a girl like me have to help my family. No while I take on the streets, I think my legs them cramp. I tell myself, say with the works, but I ramp. I have the spirit of a fighter, the spirit of a champ. Cause out in the world, my foot them off his stamp. Take on the road, enough gas in the tank. Me love to see the link in them, I winning at the camp. Yo, so what them say you're moving up the ranks, and you're standing firm like the box. Hey. The word may fall, still we never yield, and we not gonna let go. Work is burning hot in the field 7 days in a row. Living on this rock called Jamaica, it's better to know. The brave may fall, still we never yield, and we not gonna let go. They don't know what it takes to survive. Why them fighting you when you aiming to stay alive? Them a the woman and them papa fi give them everything, so they never struggle. See I get a girl like me have to help my family. They don't know what it takes to survive. Why them fighting you when you aiming to stay alive?
Big up as a lineage. Now let's go to Jamila Blender, one called Feelings. Real music, people. ScotchBonnetRadio.com in the house. Little Blender, step up.
Every ghetto youth I make it out. You are free without a doubt. Never know the struggle real until them learn about. Whoa, so ghetto youth, ghetto life sturdy. Every ghetto youth I try to make it up. You just go on all your medicine up. Have some faith in out, you know you are free without a doubt. What you reap is what you sow, so you better plow. Now go stoop low, and not to make you know. Say them are your friend, pretend them are pretend. As you turn your back, them try to knock you down again. Cause they need not them feelings. Kill them one a friend through them feelings. I know them need your mama weeping. Tell me why they need your papa weeping. They need not them feelings. Chat behind your back and them a pretend. They must feel like so weak when we go like we don't see them. Oh, so right now we come to take it. The vibes we have to set it. We turn the darkness into light, so we have to take it. Cause we humble and collected. Them try to stop we ready. Them want to box the food out how we play, but I just set it. Mommy, daddy, give me the strength and the vibes. Them say we take it. Them send me dark, I take the back and don't you just go set it. Have to make it out of the dark, we have to get it. Them try to stop the father, but the daughter come for wreck it. So them in and them feelings. Kill them one a friend through them feelings. I know them leave your mama weeping. Tell me why them leave your papa weeping. Them in and them feelings. Shut behind your back and them a pretend. Them must feel like so weak when we go like we don't see them. So when we tell them get your youth, never watch your foes or watch your friends. Try not tell nobody when you go on different things. Get your youth be wise and open up your eyes. Have to stand firm through them evil us them might. Get your youth, when I see them just watch them. Stop them and flop them, them not really want you make it in a life. Reach where you reach and a fight for the prize. Lift up your head, me say hold it up. I got them in and them feelings. Kill them one a friend through them feelings. I know them leave your mama weeping. Tell me why them leave your papa weeping. Them in them feelings. Chat behind your back and them a pretend. Them must feel like so weak when we go like we no see them. Get you to a fit firm, you have to wise. Every get you can make it in a life. Get you to a fit firm, wise. Get you to reach for the prize. Get you to a fit firm, you have to wise. Get you to make it in a life. Get you to a fit firm, wise.
Big up Jamila Blender. Let's go.
Hold on. I touch the road early every morning when most people still yawning. When I get my pay, when they go without the warning. Hold on. Working hard every day. Said I can nobody see my face. But to the most I judge I pray. It's gonna be okay. I rise early in the morning before the sunrise. Sleep still the inner me two eyes. The one room back up like a stadium. Touch the road and look dirty.
Time to deal with some juggling.
Even though life tough, I know things definitely have to get better one day. So I now go get discouraged every day. I work hard and working hard every day. Said I can hardly see my face. But to the most I judge I pray. It's gonna be okay. Oh, Jah, tell them a talk and all we can do is laugh. No, they can't fit with them weird we say I talk, hypocrite talk. From over distant land and says, Jah reveal them all to way. See the newspaper print up them back alive. To the internet from the world it apply. Not so much people have so much to say. Well, they never reach Rasta yet. Sing a one thing and cause so much uproar around the world. And so we know say people no business with nothing positive. How be hands out and strictly negative.
Fire burn them.
Been chat about in the media and other subjects about thousand need. Them claims say good news not sell no paper. Then I even some like we tell them this. Tell them say love about no frightened way. We say I talk hypocrite talk. From all of this and London says, Jah reveal them all to way. See the newspaper print up them back alive. To the internet from the world it apply. Not so much people have so much to say. Well, they never reach Rasta yet. Jah, paradise them all the time.
Send me them on a country bus. I come a town. Me can't remember when last me go a town. Me have enough little hustle in a run a town. So me have eyes for the big city. Yeah, me them on a country bus. I come a town. Me hear some of the pretty girls in the young a town. Me would a love to get a daughter or a son a town. So me have head for the big city. Me hold a window seat with me paper. Me a read and a come in. The driver just a flash it and a speed and a come in. Then him stop out again please. Pick up a party boy. In our pals here a wave and a come in. Me see a customer and a roll up on the weed and a come in. Me see the market people load up on a lead and a come in. The bus stop again a man upon them say a funny man. Me see a blind is a come in and a come in. And the country bus I come a town. Oh Lord, me can't remember when last me go a town. Me just enough little hustle in a run a town. So me am head for the big city. Yeah, me the plan a country bus I come a town. Me hear some of the pretty girls in the young a town. I would have loved to get a daughter or a son a town. So me am head for the big city. Where every day of the street we pass. This is the one we are.
Just like a cool down. Oh, baby, listen to me now. Ever since we met, baby, no need for running around. Looks like you cool me down. You cool me down, girl. And time is wasting whenever you're not around. Look like you cool me down, girl. You cool me down. I don't need another lover. I don't even have to bother. I found it in you. Now I feel brand new. You understand the little things that since we've been hanging. No more flirting around. Oh girl, you cool me down. You cool me down. Yeah. And she gives me something that keeps me staying around. This girl cools me down. Down, baby. And what you giving to me? Me have to tell my friend from Chimney. She have the size and the figure, girl, suited for me. And then she bright and she bright and what to say.
Like my love wasn't good enough. You missed the water from the well, it's cause you use it up. What's up, much without feeling? What's life without love? How do I sleep without dreaming of the one I'm searching for? Even if we break up, might have chance to make up, but this trust is still in my veins. No, I can't love the same again, but I want to give you my all. But you keep breaking my heart. Always keep me sorry, but you never hear my part. Not the same again, but I want to give you my all. But you keep breaking my heart. Always keep me sorry, but you never hear my part. Baby, I thought you cheated. Now how you expect me to believe it? When you say that you love me and you mean it, I can clearly see the truth where you're creeping. Getting hypnotized by your sweetness. After strength comes weakness, where I analyze your lies from your secrets. You promise you never change. No, I can't love the same again, but I will give you my all. But you keep breaking my heart. Always keep me sorry, but you never hear my part. Not the same again.
I don't know what's going on. I really don't know, but I'm just going to use the next computer next time I go live so this doesn't happen. I'm going to have to use the next computer because this doesn't make any sense. But true, me a DJ didn't know how to talk and make sense. I make sense out of this. Yo, what do you think of this craziness with all this rainwater that's going on? You know what I'm saying? Yo, back home in Brooklyn, yo, the place looked like the ocean. Matt looked like the ocean. Bronx looked like the ocean. I just really don't understand it, to tell you the truth. Jano Star. But like I said, once we have life, we have everything. So even though this thing want to freeze up, we still have life, so we have everything. But believe me, this is definitely frustrating. So what I'll do next time, like I said, this has been a test run on YouTube. So what I'll do next time, I'm going to play from the laptop, if I'm correct. How can I do it? It's something like that I had in mind. Let me see how can I do it. Yeah, play from the laptop. And when I play from the laptop, stream from the computer itself. Right now I have a blank screen, so you know what I mean? The song about the end. Talking about frustrating. Come on. Alright, that's Flippo. Yeah, big song. Fallen artist. F-L-I-P-O. Out to Trinidad and Tobago. Big music. You know, we look for more things in store from the artists. In the meantime, while I'm trying to restart this, let's continue to talk about what we have to talk about. Yeah. Yo, right now I'm come like, I don't know what to say about the weather. 1 minute it's a flood. 1 minute it's a drought. What the hell is that all about? I really don't know what to say. Trust me, people. But like I said, back home, New York City, Georgia, yo, it's like, yo, just swim or bring a boat, something. I don't know what to say, you know. I hope everybody can be safe and help each other because, you know, that's a serious thing. You know, just come together, but that's what we New Yorkers do anyway. We always just like to take care of one another no matter what they say. You know, a love in our hearts. For real. Look like I got this thing to restart again. Let's see. All right, look like it's going good. So let me see what we should play. I bet you nobody never say new tune. I'm not saying new tune either, because look, something else is freezing up. But like I said, the show must go on. So yo, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Also to my other page, Daddy Reddss Promotions. And that's where we have talking news, where I talk up the things. And we have some other things that we deal with, you know, whether it be not the Bus Music Show. The Bus Music Show we have on this page right here. But the other one, Meditative Dialogue. That's where we just, you know, reason with the artists and everything. You know what I mean? So like I said, keep the Most High and on the heart. And if anything is wrong, just pray, 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 pray. And everything will be all right? Because God help those who help themselves. You don't pray and do nothing. You just keep the vibes going and keep moving. You know what I mean? So in the meantime, Beanie Man and Singer J, one call. I pray.
If there were no race, there'll be no people. And if there was no people, there'll be no world. We all born as one, out of many one people, one nation, Zaga, one foundation, Zao. Anyway, this is no time for no hero ship. Black people will come up on slavery ship. From Kunte Kente to Marcus Garvey, Sham Sharp and Nanny, them feel the whip. By no relation or friendship. We and the Jews, them been through the same shit. Them say them sell out Jesus, so them a Judas. All of them smile like plastic. So I never talk we are one race. Identity missing without a trace. Them put
This is Singer J and Beanie Man, one call. I pray.
African nation and the super race. And that's the way they get the job at the base. Then if Jerusalem join up with Gaza, then it could have be one holy place. I pray that I can see that holy place. One day, the street will be peaceful. Don't my bridge the base. Don't pop off the ways. And you know I've been around next Sunday. Yeah, and I pray that day dog water would have never give me the gun. And I pray that politician never separate the people them from the fun. And I pray, so me mother born rich, so me never would have go a prison go lead down. But all I pray, me sister life real, so me know say as a man me have to buckle down. Some of them boys are say me friend, them never did it from the beginning. The true them better when the money I spend. I know all of them are friends of my evening. Not care how them try to kill me, only Almighty build me. Still I see you protect me, hear me. I pray that I can see that holy place. One day, the street will be peaceful. Gun my bridge the base. Gun pop off the waist. And you know I've been around next Sunday. So Father, forgive those who trespass against us. Who try to kill us and try to murder us and try to be a friend to us. Yeah. I say forgive them. All those hypocrites and parasite. All those fly by day and pitch by night. Who come and thief our kids by night and try to tell us that is daylight rule. They tell us close your and close your eye. And we're on the slavery ships. Yeah, we never forget this. We always live with this and love this because that make us stronger. Black people is stronger. Life will be longer. Oh Lord, whoa Lord.
Yeah, man, big song by Beanie Man and the one Singer J, one call, I pray. And I pray that when I stream live on YouTube, and I do it the right way, then I'm gonna go straight from what the laptop I'm gonna play from, and from this here computer that's acting silly, I can just, stream the live from. But we're not done. I'm just restarting the software again, and then we're just gonna deal with the thing. But again, listen, the times we living in, you just see some things that all I can say is they make no sense. All type of wickedness, People pretending they're people friends. So watch the company that I want to keep, right? And you already know, don't eat from no one. Exactly. Because sometimes the food that was prepared by a dirty hand. And that's not right. But that's a part of life. If everything was all sweet, we wouldn't be talking about the opposite of that. And like I said, speaking of not sweet, this software is crazy. Believe me, this won't happen the next time I go live, which will be in a few days or something like that, all right? All right, let me restart this. But like I said, keep it righteous and keep it real. Nobody's a saint, nobody's perfect, but always try your best and you'll always be blessed in the real life, So we say more love, we say more life, we say more music. And it's about time to get right back to the music. Let me come out to this. Everything brand new though. I can tell you that. Let me bust the anthem. Yeah, exactly. Must bust an anthem because I'm doing all this talking. If it wants to do this, yo, people want to see the struggle and the war that I'm going through. You be laughing. Well, like I said, we would never give up. Never. So like I said, time to bust the anthem. And we gone now with pure vibes. Back to the music. And remember, we all in this thing together.
Why can't we live as one? Oh yes, we all understand. Yes, I have wasted my time.
Out to Luciano.
Trying to give it mankind.
Terror Fabulous.
Very hard thing to do. But it tickles in the back of
the one know he coach ya.
Well, just to leave this world behind. I guess I'm not the only one. Not the only one. Would like to see mankind living in tranquility. You and I, T.Y. And if only we agree, come together, we can live in unity. Like sisters and brothers.
Hear this?
We're all in this dream together. We all just live as one. We're all blackbirds of one feather. It's time to live as one. Some say hands and heart and harmony. Loving one another, what a sight to say. Peace and love and unity.
And that be one in my community. Guess what?
Something nice to see the kids in the
Park.
running out together without gunshot.
Pop.
And it would be nice to see the enemies
Talk.
preaching peace without no lying on the
Heart.
Let's get together, make we get things.
Start.
Man from south, west, east, and
Not.
cause I would never wanna see you get
Cut.
when God Almighty shall be pouring his wrath.
So me say.
We're all in this thing together. Guess we all just live as one. We're all blackbirds of one feather. It's time to live as one.
There are lots of signs in life, some that you may not like.
Friday night, let's party.
Minute, the next minute you're gone away.
New music
Hold up your head,
and so-called old music.
be sunshine,
We're gonna play all good music.
and by your words.
So in the meantime, Sanchez, just tell them and sing your song.
Never can miss the man with the anger, the one who's got the tiger, the one who sits high and it looks down low. And if you ever miss the man with the anger, the one who's got the tiger, then you'll be someone that he don't know. Say a prayer and chant a psalm, prayer that take you to evil come. You don't have to go to church or be a Christian to call on your name. Shout out the name that over in the valley. Shout out the name that over on the hills. Shout out the name that over on the plain. Or even if it rains, call on the name. Call on your name the same. Call on the name. Yeah. So never try to diss the man with the anger. The one who's got the tiger.
Work musically tonight.
High and it looks down low.
Hi.
And if you ever miss the man with the anger, the one who's got the tiger, then you'll be someone that he don't know. Hey, listen up, I know time is enough. Time is short and life is precious. Hey, listen up, I know time wasting up. Life is short, but time is precious. You got to have the heart of a lion.
Culture music reigns. Whoa. YouTube massive. Sing your song, Blender. Will. Watch the next song.
The philosophy which old one made superior and another inferior is finally and permanently discredited
and what?
And abandoned. Everywhere is war. It's a war that until they're no longer first class and second class citizens of any nation, until the color of a man's skin is of no more significance than the color of his eyes. It's a war that until the basic human rights are equally guaranteed to all without regard to race. But it's a war that until that day, the dream of lasting peace, world citizenship, rule of international morality, will remaining but a fleeting illusion to be pursued but never attained. Now everywhere is war. War.
to culture. Addis Ababa.
There's a land far, far away. It's called Addis Ababa. The ruler of that land, which is far away. His name is King Selassie, King of Kings and Lord of Lords. The ruler of that land, which is in the east. His name is King Selassie. When I say it, there is a land far, far away. It's called Addis Ababa. There is a land far, far away. It's called Addis Ababa.
Song nice.
This is not a dreadlocks thing, divine conception of the heart. Well, you don't have the dread to be Rasta. This is not a dreadlocks thing, divine conception of the heart. It's a life of a liberty, lived by the fathers of our history. Of all the anciency and prophecy, trust in the power of the Trinity. Got to believe in His majesty, oh yes, His lineage and divinity. The first step is sovereignty, knowing oneself true royalty. You don't have the dread to be Rasta. No, this is not a dreadlock thing, divine conception. You don't have the dread to be Rasta. This is not a dreadlock thing, divine conception of the heart. We no want no more dead body. When we start to kill quick, we no want no more hit. We no want no more grave. We no want no more casket. Well, life we promote, which is righteousness. So don't get a lick. When I look and know, Jaja City, Jaja Town, them have it and it in a crowd like that. When I look and know, bloody city, bloody town, what on it in a road like that. When I look and know, them a tell me how them call. Big 45 we shoot out them brother mole. No for say them cold like up at the North Pole. So them shoot down
music.
Shoot down the hole. Shoot down the puss and the dog and the fall. Every weekend them take our next payroll. Out of one pocket them shoot out Bill Fall. This Marcus Yapping no feather figure roll. Look at now, Jaja City, Jaja Town, them have it and it's in a crowd white town. Look at now, Jaja City, Jaja Town, them have it and it's in a den and town. Them come is it trouble anytime but to buy some things. I don't want no all around. Have mercy. Have mercy. There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And
better place for you and for me.
Buju!
Somebody please tell me now. Oh, Master God, world around you. Put the war back and praise God, yeah, me son, tell me now. Oh, Papa Jesus, world around. Make we come together. God the Father soon come. There was a beginning, so there must be an end. Let us build a better day for our grandchildren. And look in our heart and see where we can mend. Where food is concerned, there is a problem. Oh, man can't find food. Feed the children. While the rich man have the chicken back and feed the dog them. But whoa, be unto them. He who rise against poor people shall perish in the end. Tell me now. Oh, Master God, world around you. Put the war back and praise God. Yeah, me son, we want know. Oh, Papa Jesus, world around. Make we come together. God the Father soon come.
If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this bliss we cannot feel. Fear, dread, stop existing and start living. Then is there always love enough for us growing? So make a better world, make a better world, heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, so make a better place for you and for me.
Tell me now, oh Master God, world around you. Put the war back and praise God, yeah, me son, we want know. Oh Papa Jesus, world around. Make we come together. God the Father soon come. Through the poor can't afford the knowledge, them no get none. The rich man have the dollars and no argue with some. Brother don't show some bullshit talk. Him a friend, don't appear 190.
No evil. Why mankind them suck of it? Every day them get up and them and try them phonetics. Me ball why mankind them suck of it? You look what I'm telling you. Me say why mankind I know they are so covet. Some of them are vampire. Me say some of them are witch. Every day them get up and them and try them funny tricks. I just black people them have to get embarrassed. Them have to brainwash. Well diplomatic. And I have part existence and you pat them and back it. And nothing what we do them don't appreciate it. That's why me Allah otherwise. Why mankind them suck of it? Every day them get up. And my tie them funny tricks me ball away. Why mankind them suck of it? Even if I'm not telling some good boy. No me say only the almighty people who they worship. You know the almighty him well damn equipped. Make we back with the riches. Make we spine now we hip. We and them fit come and we put them fit down in a river Jordan with the almighty kiss. Then who take a dip and you chant the Baptist. When him come out of the water, him feel so classic. And dunk on him shoulder, a white dove fish was sending a lot out of why mankind them suck of it. Every day them get up and man try them phonetics them all away. Why mankind them suck of it. You look at them and tell them second road boy.
You know, X represented for the big bad Scotch Bonnet sound. And I said that the Reddss big of a self-stage, you know. Scotch Bonnet sound, the big bad sound will run it so. What is that, Reddss? It would be murder if I jump and cross the border. Them woulda out and harder. That the Reddss are the dantara. We murder any jump and run, yeah. So it would be murder if I jump and cross the border. Them woulda out and harder. That the Reddss are the dantara. We murder any jump and run, yeah. Them shoulda know said that the Reddss in the play. Him kill jump on anytime, any day. some murder them jump and sound. We no respond for jump and for dead. We fill them up a copper, yes, we fill them up a lead. Oh God, so dead jump and dead jump and so we bury them. It would be murder if I jump and cross the border. Them woulda out got the Redds at the dantara. We murder any jump and run.
Well, options speak louder than words, but bad man no talk better if you observe. Be locked off and the body always on the other not. Hey, actions speak louder than words, but bad man no talk better if you observe. Cool, you stay there one town yet you won't be locked off and the body always on the other not. Better you dig dumb, cause you shouldn't talk, else you wouldn't get a gunshot in a yard. Empty barrel make nice, but bad men no talk. Pop off and kill, for we little bit too smart. No for them are this, and can't pay the cost. Make the gun pop off, and nation get off. Wipe off of the earth, come back in on the past. Now make me get wringle and go everything dark. Hey, actions speak louder than word, but bad men no talk better if you observe. Hey, you stay dead one target, you want me lock up, and the body you always have the head and not. Hey, actions speak louder than word. No mercy. Well, down in the ghetto where they burn off a thing, and the politician is the guns them a bring. Hey, and the crack and the cock them a support the killing. Me check it out, the whole of them are the same thing. Down in the ghetto where they burn off a thing, and the politician is the guns them a bring. Hey, and the crack and the cock them a support the killing. Me check it out, the whole of them are the same thing. My pocket is weak, my heart is willing. I want a pound of rice but can't find a shilling. Can't buy the chicken back, much less the chicken. Turn left and right and it's gunshot a fling. Everywhere we go is wicked song them a sing. No hear me no queens and hear me no kings. All over this world local and foreign. Black and white me now prejudice skin. Hear me Mr. Lou, Mr. Wang and Mr. Chin. To kill another man, what good does that bring? I feel it so much ill cold don't take me skin. It start to hurt me and me eyes them a spin. Down in the ghetto where the corner of a thing, and the politician is the guns them a bring. Hey, and the crack and the cock them a support the killing. Me check it out, the whole of them are the same. Who give the gun, who give the cock? No man to take the blame. And now who impose the guns and cocaine. And now who inoculate the ghetto youth brains. And mobilize them in the blood sport game. So if you want to rich, you have to kill Shane. And wicked enough to kill him Madam Miss Jane. Make them say you are the wickedest man pon the lane. And if you want to respect, feel on like a train. Well, you better make shot fall like a rain. You have to put one foot on them Concorde plane. And you better sell 20 kilo of cocaine. Down in the ghetto where the poor have a thing. And the politician is the guns them a bring. Hey, and the crack and the cock them a support the killing. Me check it out, the whole of them are the same. You know them release the chain and I use them brains. Well, I am a man, I believe you're the same. Nothing's way up in my father and shame. Down in the ghetto, you're so much
girl, come and walk with me. Brown-eyed girl, come and talk with me. I wanna do all the little things that love should do. All the little things you want me to. Brown-eyed girl.
picture of you beside me. Tonight your lips speaking my words so long.
I go live again in a few days.
Oh, yeah.
Hear this.
Emotion.
Singing melody.
Shot of dreams. And I don't leave it. And I don't leave it only I know. And whatever I said, whatever I did, I didn't mean it. I just want you back for good. See, I want you back for good. And whenever I'm gone, the song of the song I sing it, you'll be right up on the search. See, I want you back for good. Oh, now when I'm with you, I can fly. Sometimes I close my eyes and imagine you and me far away from all the noise. And then I'd make a wish upon a star that I could be wherever you are. 'Cause every fiber inside me is wanting you, baby. Can't you hear me call you every day? So many girls wanna try me, but I need you only. No one else can make me feel this way. You put a smile upon my face, make me feel so strong every. I can do anything when I'm with you. With you, I have my happiest days. In my arms, nothing compares. I can do anything when I'm with you. This love, this love, me. This love, to the rain or shine, I'll be by your side. You and I, till the end of time. When the storm it comes, I'll be wrapped up in your love. If the sky should fall, baby, I'll be waiting. But you
What's
never
about it, Reddss? Everything's so nice, so nice. Everything's so nice, yeah. Everything's so alright, yeah, alright. Everything's so alright, yeah. Scotch Bunny Trader, the baddest trader. Jody.
This love, me. This love, to the rain or shine, I'll be by your side. You and I, till the end of time. When the storm it comes, I'll be wrapped up in your love.
Just running through music.
I should fall, baby, I'll be waiting.
Chris Montego.
But you never expect this love at the first sight. Surprise, baby, when you touched my skin, it felt like 1,000 volts. Yeah, ooh, it felt so good with you, girl, by my side. Yeah, the kiss was magic, something I can never explain. This love, this love. This love, this love, to the rain or shine.
Stephen Marley singing Daddy's song, Pale Moonlight.
How many times I told you I love you, and now you want to say that we are through. What more can I do? What more can I say to you? Now you're gone. Do you remember that first night we met? That was a moment I never will forget. Love was at first sight, and you came walking through the pale moonlight.
Hear this part.
How many times I told you
Chris Montes go again.
Last night I had a crazy dream. A wish was granted just for me. It could be for anything. I didn't ask for money, all the magic amount of blue.
This is Scotch Bonnet Radio YouTube, and I am Daddy Reddss, the reggae ambassador. Hear this one.
One more day, one more time, one more sunset, baby, I'll be satisfied.
Wanna hear that?
And then again, I know what it would do. And leave me wishing still for one more day with you.
Yo, Reddss, pull up that tune and come again. That's right. Think we're joking with this? Hear this. Tell a friend that Daddy Reddss, the reggae ambassador, is causing a musical massacre.
Last night I had a crazy dream. A wish was granted just for me. It could be for anything. I didn't ask for money, all the magic amount of blue. I simply wished for one more day with you. One more day, one more time, one more sunset.
Yo, big music, people. I'm just singing to the phone. Nobody's on the phone.
I know what it would do. Leave me wishing still for one more day.
Yo, pull up that tune one more time, people. One more time. Yo, tune so nice we have to play it more than twice. This is Chris Montague. One call, one more day. One more time, people. I'll call you back in a few minutes.
Last night I had a crazy dream. A wish was granted just for me. It could be for anything.
What could it be for?
I didn't ask for much.
What you asked for?
All the magic amount of blue.
For real?
I simply wish
For what?
for one more day with you.
Sing it!
One more day, one more time, one more sunset, baby, I'll be satisfied. And then again, I know what it would do. And leave me wishing still for one more day with you.
Big joke, people. Hear the second verse. Hear the second verse.
First thing I do is pray for time to crawl. Time to crawl. I don't unplug the telephone. Keep the TV off. I'll hold you every second. Sing a million I love yous. That's what I do for one more day with you. One more day, one more time, one more sunset, baby, I'll be satisfied. But then again, I know what it
easy. Now that we are together, the morning comes. Oh, girl, and I can't wait till the evening sun. Alright, you call me on the telephone. Oh, girl, and tell me you're coming home. Alright, now that we're together, change the story better, and cherish every moment that we should be together. The shape of me.
Pom pom.
And would you believe I have lost the race again? But I'm coming again, cause I just gotta get in. Cause I'm trying to get to you, to you, to you. To break the walls away is as obvious as the colors of your hair. And would you believe that I really care? Cause I'm trying to get to you, to you, to you. Oh, I tried to letters, but they all came back unopened. That's without you, we'll see my thing again.
Classic.
Oh, I tried to the phone and every time it rang, I was wishing that you thought you we'll see my thing again. Girl, you're not alone. Would you believe I have lost my way back to love? To a love that never existed, and I see it in you. Cause I'm trying to get to you, to you, to you. Oh, baby, I see love is lovely. I want you always gotta hold me so well, you know. You should love me, so love you. Watch me now, love you like a fresh vegetable. So tell me if your love told me better. They love you like a fresh vegetable. So tell me if your love told me better. Because you want to let me roll me, you want me to down love lady to where we are one go. And I love you, girl, and I can't get over to so let me tell you something. Where you want to know, love you like vegetable. So tell me if your love told me better. I'm gonna love you like a fresh vegetable. So tell me if your love told me better. Watch me now, if it is no one, you don't say so. But if it is so, you say it the best. And never forget that you will never regret. Come on, you lost all the world that is like fresh vegetable. So tell me if you love me, do you ever? Love you like fresh vegetable. So tell me if you love me, do you ever? Because I love you, tell you, I love you, September. Don't enough when you want me, don't in October, I'm in March. Don't in November, don't in April, right till December. Around them the time they know a winter and the time is cold. And we need a lover, so you become a little bad. Come closer, and when you hug me tight, and when you hug me a little tighter, you want me fresh vegetable. I tell me if your love told me better. And I do want a fresh vegetable. So tell me if your love told me better.
And you can't go on Mexican blueberries. You must have to get out, you hear?
Hey, little girl, each time you pass my way, I'm tempted to touch.
Baby girl, I love you more than diamonds on pearl.
Oh, baby, the dress you wear, your perfume, keep me wanting you so much.
Lord of mercy, I need you very, very bad.
Now I
Any lover when me want, nothing get. Any lover when me want, nothing get. Any lover when me want, nothing get. You know any lover when me want, nothing get. I could have fancy Marcia, I'm the one princess. One of them come want to kiss off me neck. Come run down got the ranking life and direct. And when me come and dance, I say me not take. Any lover when me want, nothing get.
Yes, good things must come to an end. Like I said, I will keep going live on YouTube. So big up all YouTube massive.
Now I'm gonna make sure that this time love like yours will never leave me anymore. Hey little girl, each time you pass my way, I'm tempted to touch.
Still makes you want to do
The dress you wear, your perfume, keep me wanting you so much.
Oh, Miss Laura, forget that.
So much, baby.
Because love is a splendid thing. God, this love come like a charge it a bring. God, this love is a splendid thing. God, this love come like a charge it a bring. God, when you love a woman, me say it is not a sin. So long as I been over ride the rhythm. Pitch up on the rhythm like a lizard on a limb. So down on the rhythm like a tire on a rim. Took me with a pin, charge up his in. Turn on me, let me pound on me living. A long cutty rock and you a shock and you a sing. The girl them have to crown me king. Cause any lover when me want you forget. Say any lover when me want you forget. Any lover when me want you forget. You know any lover when me want you forget.
All right, Massive. More love, more life, more music. A matter of fact, you know what? If somebody came in there live, let me bust one song for you before I go, cause which is only right. All right, one more on the version. All right. Who remember this one? You usually start with this one, but we're a real DJ. We know how to deal with the thing properly. So hear this one.
Whoa.
Wicked combination, Sanchez and Wayne Wonder. Dang call.
Day and day, I must face a world of strangers where I don't belong. Me, I'm not that strong.
Tune.
But it's nice to know that there is someone you can turn to. Who is always there, my love to share. When there's no way over that rainbow, and the smallest streams will come. I can take the world can give. Love on yesterday, without you, baby.
Want the next Big Levels rock tune? Hold this one. How to Ghost. Waiting for you.
Take me back into my own self. Like you did before. Without me once again. And we never will. Yeah, I know I'm ready until more. Don't worry, you know you break my heart.
Lovers Rock. So hear this.
If tomorrow is judgment day,
Bust it up, Lovers Rock style.
and I'm standing on the front line, and the Lord asks me what did I do with my life, I would say I spent it with you. If I wake up in World War III, yeah, if I wake up, I see destruction, poverty. Oh my.
And What do you feel like?
And I feel like I wanna go. It's okay if you're coming with me. It's okay.
We're not moved till we get the chorus. Here it is.
Your love is my love, and my love is your love. It will take an eternity to break us. It will take all the stars just to hold us. Your love is my love, and my love is your love.
Ready for next tune?
It will take an eternity to break us. It will take all the stars just to hold us.
Grown-up music. This time the big people dang.
Some things were meant to be, so I'll let it be. And stop worrying about it, cause we know what's in our hearts. We know we're in our thoughts. No reason for concern. Gonna see a lot of things about us.
Right?
Said you know that the love is not a sin. But you wonder what the people say when they see me with you. Wonder what the crowd will say when they find us together. Wonder what the people say when they know we're in love. Wonder what the crowd will say. Let them say, I got love for you. And she say, oh, if that's no way, believe me, all I'm guilty of is loving you. For all the things they say and try to do to separate me and you, still I got enough love for you.
Oh,
Yeah, love for you. Oh yeah. No lies, no games, no fronting of a kind. You always be mine. Thick or thin, come rain or shine. I love you for all time. Just be good, just be good. I'll be good for you. Just be good, just be good. No matter what they say, this your love now share. Can't come between. Investing my time and trusting you is all I wanna do. Believe me, girl. Won't be denied or rejected by cheap words or what you may have heard. Still I've got it plenty, and for you, my empress, yeah, my love will never run empty. We've got the touch that means so much. Come on, let's nice it up. Just be good, just be good. I'll be good to you. Just be good, just be good. No matter what they say, this your love now share. Can't come between. One talent that I can take to the sky with you by my side. So it's written, so it must be done. Come
next
on,
song.
let's have some fun. Man, need woman and woman myself, they're made. And you I can relate. Yeah, come on, my love, let's get it straight. Yeah. Can I try your best just to make it quick? Go my chin to the sick. Cause there must be something she can do. This heart is broken in two. Tell her it's a case of emergency. There's a patient by the name of Gregory.
you don't hear nothing yet.
My nurse
about the original. You know who this is. The legend. Honorable Robert Nesta Marley.
From the very first time I placed my eyes on you, my heart says follow through. But I know now that I'm way down on your line. But the waiting feels fine. So don't treat me like a puppet on a string. Cause I know how to do my thing. Don't talk to me as if you think I'm done. I wanna know when you're gone.
So sing it, people.
I don't wanna wait and wait for your love. I don't wanna wait and wait for your love. I don't wanna wait and wait for your love. Cause it's love I'm here. I'm still waiting there. Winter is here. And I'm still waiting there. Whoa,
Friday night party
baby.
with Daddy Reddss, the reggae ambassador, is causing a musical massacre.
I stopped sending flowers to your apartment. You said you weren't around much anymore. Yeah, I stopped dropping by without an appointment. Cause I heard laughter coming through your door. Sometimes late at night you still call me. Before you close your eyes to sleep, yeah, I made a vow that I would drop by sometimes, but that's a promise I can't keep. Cause I love you too much to ever start lying.
Oh yeah?
Let's leave the story there tonight. I love you too much to ever stop lying. So don't expect me to be your friend.
Oh baby, I would have given you all my heart, but there is someone who tore it apart, and she has taken almost all that I've got. But if you want, I'll try to love again. Baby, you can't turn a key without love. Oh yeah, the first cut is the deepest. Oh yeah, the first cut is the deepest. But when it comes to being lucky people, when it comes to loving me people, but when it comes to being lucky people, that's how I know the first cut is the deepest.
Yeah, I put on the ring. Yeah, you see someone big with it.
Yellow man.
Come back, darling, give me another try. I'll make you satisfied. We don't want to listen to that story, huh? Listen it.
Yo.
Seems to me no matter who I am, I pick the wrong girl to play with. Seems to me no matter who I am, I pick the wrong girl to play with. I can put down the mic as a DJ and go away.
We gonna warm up now.
It no matter what I give to you, darling, you still go astray. You're the woman for me, no matter come hurt my pride. You're the woman for
partner. When me meet her on the 1st of December, promise I love her, me no two-timer. But she left me and go deal with freaker. Me my love with a me love with drama. Hear me tell him say, oh man, give me another try. I'll make it satisfied.
Talk to you, but it's not the same as what you do. And every time you whisper my name,
Sanchez, big music.
we'll be together.
And it won't be long.
It won't be long, it won't be long, but it seems like forever.
Right.
And it's all of my own, maybe 'cause I'm missing you now.
Follow the page.
And it's driving me crazy, 'cause I'm needing my baby. I'm missing you now. Yeah. And we alone, maybe 'cause I'm missing you now.
Well, Sanchez, I don't know where you go. I'm not sure to start watching up right now. Sanchez, you're not something
If you ever change your mind about leaving me behind, say honey, bring it on home to me.
Let me DJ Sanchez. Yo.
While she was crying last night, I was swimming in the pool because I broke her heart and make she cry. I was the fool, this is my true confession. I can't believe that she read it in the magazine. I was just a star, living one star life, but I still love my baby indeed.
Yes.
Here come Goliath, hear me now, Trevor. When me a talk about woman, me love my girl proper. Listen, woman, me love you, man, I want you forever. Listen, when the DJ you talk, well, woman, yes, I love you, and I only never get you.
I will never forget those times we spent.
Sanchez, sing
Love never come hold me tight, kiss me, my darling, and be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late, and this now or never. All love won't break.
Right now.
Woman, I do me want, me have to go and cut me steel. Woman, I do me want, woman, I do me need.
Big sound.
Yeah, well, I remember those weekends, those good times, this is mine. So, girl, fresh and I never know that you have read it in the magazine. I was just a star, living one star life, but she didn't really mean nothing to me.
So if you ever change your mind about leaving me behind, say honey, sing it to me. Just bring your sweet loving, bring it on home to me.
We love reggae music. You're gonna love this one. Original beats, original lyrics, big music. I might have to say, yo, here. Here it is.
When our lives don't work like they used to before,
Don't say a word.
and I can't sweep you off of the feet. Will my mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will my eyes still smile from your cheek? Darling, I touch of a hand. We are falling in love with you every single day. I just wanna tell you
Hi, Sal, how am I doing?
honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of the thousand stars. Place your hand on my feet, heart. Thinking now, maybe we found love where we are.
I could do this all night.
Ta-na-na-na,
Yeah.
ta-na-na-na.
Follow my page, please.
Baby, oh baby, talk about love, talk about trust, talk about forever, baby, talk about us. I give you my word, stick to my guns, but even when I say it, baby, it's just begun. You don't understand, oh girl, the full intent of my plan. Baby, I wanna be your sole provider. And baby, I wanna stay that way for the longest time. Baby, I wanna be your sole provider. You're so real.
Let me top that song.
Oh,
Same artist, Romain Virgo.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Lovers Rock.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Sing out.
Cross the seven seas, you're always on my mind. Distance don't change a thing. Many said we aren't meant to be, like flames in the ocean, dying in the motion. But look at us now, what we found. We're soaring high, way off the ground. You gave me wings, now I can fly, bursting through the clouds. We'll shine tonight, like a star across the sky.
Yo, pull up that tune, Danny Reddss, and play
It's
it
a
again.
pity you already have a wife. I may have a one man in my life. Daddy Reddss, it is a pity.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah.
The spirit of the music is here. Listen.
Cross the seven seas, you're always on my mind. Distance don't change a thing. Many said we aren't meant to be, like flames in the ocean, dying in the motion. But look at us now, what we found. We're soaring high, way off the ground. You gave me wings, now I can fly, bursting through the clouds. We'll shine tonight, like a star across the sky.
devotion through these years. It always seemed the end was near. But look at us now. Look what we found. We're sorry now.
Big tune to play next.
You gave me wings. Now I can fly. Bursting through the clouds. We're shooting high like a star across the sky. Oh, like a star across the sky.
All night I could do this.
My heart is filled with so much love, and I need someone I can call my own to fall in love. That's what everyone's dreaming of. Always feeling home so short. Life is too short to live alone. When there's someone to call my own, I will care for you, you will care for me. Our love will live forever. Shower me with your love. Shower me with your love that I long for. Shower me with your love. Shower me with the love that I'm waiting for. Oh, darling. Oh,
Watch out, mix with no headphones.
I love you most. We share a place of special good times together. It seems like our love can't get much better. No, 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 no. 'Cause we were as close as two could be. True love will last forever. We're more than just lovers. We're good friends. They say time can heal a broken heart. True love never ends. So why not start where we begin? Because I still say yes to you again. Darling, I'll do it all again. Yes, I still say yes to you again.
Ready for more?
Darling, I'll do it over and over again. Oh, yeah. Whoa, 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 oh, yeah. Whoa, 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 oh, yeah.
Subscribe to my page, please.
But I do anything for you. Though you're not here since you said we're through. But it seems like years. Time keeps dragging on, and forever you've been gone. Still I can figure what went wrong. I'll still do anything for you. I'll play your game. You hurt me true and true, but you can have your way. I can pretend each time I see you that I don't care and I don't need you, but you never see me crying. Though inside I feel like dying, baby. I'll still do anything for you, in spite of it all. If that's what I should do to make you happy, I can pretend each time I see you that I don't care and I don't need you, but you never see me crying. You know inside I feel like dying. I hope you find someone who please you, someone who care and never leave you. need a friend to run to, baby. And I do anything for you. I'll give you love if that's what I should do to make you happy. I can pretend each time I see you that I don't care and I don't need you, but you never see me crying. You know inside I feel like dying. I hope you find someone who please you, someone who cares and never leave you. And if that someone ever hurts you, you just might need a friend to shout. Don't you go away. All my shining star. Don't you go away. I wanna be right here where you are until my dying day.
Come around that hall. No.
Honey, you are my shining star. Don't you go away. Oh, baby. I wanna be right here where you are until my dying day. Hey, baby. Even though you break my heart, I still love you. And I always will. Sorry is all that you can say. Years gone by and still the words don't come easily. Like sorry, like sorry. Forgive me. It's all that you can say. Years gone by and still the words don't come easily. Like forgive me, forgive me.
Foxy Brown.
And you can say, baby,
Say what? Say what?
and baby, can I hold you tonight?
Uh-huh.
And maybe if I told you the right
And what?
words, ooh, at the right time,
Sing it, baby.
you'll be mine. Whoa, with you, I hear a song that makes me laugh and smile and sing to you. When I'm with you, I feel so free. I feel like love is gone
Oh, yeah?
to take
All right.
control of me. When I'm with you, it's for real. What I feel when I'm with you, yeah. Oh, baby, with you.
Yeah.
Me and a girl, you see your shape, you get married for. Not to mention your cute face and your bumper. Woman, you see your face, you get married for. Not to mention your shape and your bumper. Where them go you for? So your body fat like our. Where them go you for? So you fly out regular. Where them go you for? So you're not fine for Trevor. Where them go you for? So your bumper big like our. So you see your face, you get married for. Not to mention your shape and your bumper. Can you see your face, you get married for? Not to mention your shape and your bumper. It a drive me man, woman me not tell no lie. Off it get me, off it do me, and it will blind me eye. Why you won't give? Put your band and a try me now go stand up in a saddle. Me now go ride high. You know I'm not apprentice, so you know me now go try.
I have a next tune that they don't play that much.
But I'm here for ask.
Who you?
And why? Where them go to far? Not show your fat bumper, and where them go to far? Show your skin smooth like the cow. Where them go to far? Show you not fight over Trevor. Where them go to far? Show you a hot
DJ some more.
Where them go to far? Show you fly out regular. Show you see your face, you get married for. Not to mention your shape and your bumper. Can you see your face? You get married for. Not to mention your shape and your bumper. Can your body steady and your foot like a rocker. Pretty little took me out for a heart attack. And don't lie, me friend, it is a natural fact. Flying for your body, girl, straight to the max. Put you on the mic, and me not stop chat until me get the girl when you pot. Any girl in the dance, who don't look like a that. Run, go and go master, who no know the pan top. And jump around, and you know say you hot. Two face and reach, you know you have that. Jump around, and you know you a sing. Shock, you a shock, and them can't clip you with your bumper. So you have your big bumper, when them go to far, so your skin smooth like.
Now move on for Buju Banton right now. Yeah.
I'm so mercy on the baby.
So mercy on the baby.
In my life, you're playing an expression unnecessary stress. Oh man.
I feel like crying. I said I feel like dying.
They don't play this a lot.
Sister left me and go.
They want to select them, boy.
My love can go. Please come back home. Won't you please come back home? Sing a song for you. Me and you. Since you walk out of gate, with everything I do seems to go wrong. Hey baby, have some mercy.
If you ever leave me, then you woulda see what Buju Banton woulda do. Hey Lana, anyhow you leave me, that time then you'da see. Oh man, that you use me heartbeat. Without you in my life, woman, me can't sleep. Lose a whole heap of weight, but you me nah eat. I saw you have me weak, dancing and turning every night and down the street. I want to run me, you that think a pipe a week. When me look on your picture and see how you look sweet. Remember the first time when we just meet, and I know why me not fake exporting at the street, so they say Lana. Anyhow you leave me, then you will see where Buju Banton woulda go. Hey Lana, if you ever leave me, that time when you woulda see where Buju.
Everything I do to remember you. Won't you come on back, give me a second chance.
Everything I try.
Oh baby, have some mercy. Oh, since you walk out of this, make everything I do seems to go wrong. Oh baby.
Yo!
So many rivers we have crossed. Oh man, you should have known this love will never last. If you leave me, I forget your back, no matter the cost. Those them a if we try keep us apart. No matter what the consequence, neither the task. And we want the extra mile to keep you close to me. Anything you require, oh man, just ask to set the soul on fire and gladly play the part. Lana, if you ever leave me, then you woulda see where Buju Banton woulda do. Hey Lana, anyhow you leave me, that time then you'da see lament.
I said I feel like crying.
You know that I'm rich, come on, there's no objective. But from it's come love, we have it.
You may not be a movie star. You may not drive a big fast car, but I love you in every way. I love you in every way. I don't know why. I don't know why.
Hear this?
Wanna me not be waiting and drive a fast car. Come me never let out, and we not come from far. Remember when we only have 1 hour shirt and more. Nothing with it in your tight up skirt. As long as me never mass, I gotta hurt me now. Forget where me a come from, me not gonna be sure dirt.
I keep on loving you. I don't know
Big Tone, yo. Hear this. I don't know what's going on, why the thing stopped, but yo, they can't stop the vibes because I'm a DJ that come from the school where we had 1 needle turntable break and you still had to bust up the party with no apology. And when it's ready, it dropped like this.
Yes, man. Yeah.
We are baby, baby, baby.
I'm gonna look make sure every time I'm able to put the man and stop crying for no. Really don't feel about me the deal. I want to man who don't try to use your fire. Here we go. Watch me.
Open your eyes and let me see what's inside. Is it for love for me? Tell me right now, you love me forevermore. Bring your body home to me. Bring it all home to me. Your sweet, sweet love. Bring it all home to me. I don't think anybody can love you like I do.
Tell me love you to the max. You alone in me like me love you and me can't stop. Put your butt on the mic. Scream at the craft. Look how she sexy. Look how she fat. Don't want to learn me now go set back me chat. Cry for your body, me you tell it to your body and I bring your body come. Girl bring it come. Cry for your body, I want I can't done. Bring your body come home and bring it come. Scream for your body to the maximum.
Bring your body home to me.
Have mercy.
Yo, let me run, go get one Guinness here. I'm not leaving. One Guinness, hold on. Hold on, let's get this one first. Oh, but the Guinness, we want some, man. Hold on.
Watch it. I'm over the dicky. Daddy gets bad, I get more up with us. Bad, look sweet, dark, nice. But them back in the gun. Now run on risk when it comes to them rock. Do them a die for Moses, fooling rock. I can brush against them man, she end up in a body.
Easy, Bantan.
What is number one? No second class. First class every time. Step up.
Something in my heart says this is enough. Causing me to worry. You say that you love me. Yes, I have heard. Don't you know my actions speak louder than words? Second class. Maybe not second class.
What you want?
Whatever you're doing, it's not good enough.
Make sure you punch it.
song after this they don't play too much. But in the meantime, Buju Banton sing your song with Cara Gonzalez. What?
Oh, and them on the same time for loving, hugging and kissing her, mention, caressing when we sitting. Girls who praise the decent time for loving, hugging and kissing her, mention. Watch this, when up front, anytime, no second chance thing. Nobody in the world has shared them something. If you love her from start, and you put her on the ring, or you wanna break her heart, hurt her feeling.
Stay on the rhythm sometime. 9 to 5. Trixie! Yo!
You look so good, that's why you wash you up. Can't on a line up, you want to tell them back up. So you should just put them, come meet your take part. Don't let me think it, all of the girl them papa. Just move on the basic, she look good, no bad. Argument a grown and question her. Why you play so tight, I don't want to let her. I want to take me up, say, right from the start. I will be careful, I know. I'll never let you down.
You think you're so fine. Stop playing with my mind. You call me on the phone.
It's starting to dance on us. Hot like fire.
Action, sweet. Action, sweet. I need some action, tender satisfaction. My chemistry is flowing. Can you cause a chain reaction? I need some action, tender satisfaction. My chemistry is flowing. Can you cause a chain reaction?
Every room bully, she don't want that you know. She wants a man to caress her up like so. And I make love to woman like a war them a go. Woman a fall in a agony and a go. Cool loving man, you must be insane. Woman no one man can make she feel pain. Sweet loving in the falling rain. Sweet loving makes so hard.
Action,
At a bag of mountain,
sweet.
make the girl them go.
Action,
At a bag of mountain,
sweet.
make the girl them go.
All up on you one time, man, cause him can't take up when done the game. You find a good man, I know, he might take care of you. Hand in the air, shout it out, you expensive and they look sweet. Suit on the wife, ball it out, you want to step up in a life, hold up your hand. Don't sound around, make sure him see you and hold the leg down, him surprised. Can't believe on you, sweet to God him, he can't get down to so yeah. Man don't find one time, man, cause him can't back when down the view. What's my one time, man, you find a good man, I know. I'ma take care of you, he used to tell him friend them. All you want is rough. Have you in a house like say you want house rat. Once you're at 3 months, you with frank. I need a girl and comfy them back. Find a better man and you start look hard. Papa get big dish step on your own stamp. See you in a damn boat in one of the back boat. Got no answer to that. Before that one, you prefer to adopt God. Mothers, I gotta take him lately. So you find a better man that drive him crazy. So yeah, mother for you one time man, cause him can't take back when done they give you.
man, find a better man, I know. Man take care of me, man let out your love, man. Get back right, I'm sure I'm right. Tell them what's man up, give it up, you get it. Man, she want a man in her life. She sent for me, so nice, you hear? Boy, she want me feel nice.
I mix it with no earphones. Hear this.
What say? It's a tweet nice, they have to the girl there. Tweet nice already, and she come back again. It's a tweet nice, they have to the girl there. Tweet nice already, and she come back again. Kiss up on her lips and she started to float. The way she feel like she start to climb smoke. She start get wild and grab her for me choke. She start feel high like man with that coke. But see a girl but with you not love. She say I miss she love and she start take out. So what happened to your man now? She said that they go. I yesterday me go a station go report. Go tell the police me a Karen go a coat. Cause him can't make love him only make joke. She said me want a man who no rough ankles. She want a man who no brush and feel like to rose. And she want a man in her life. A man who makes her feel nice, you hear? Why she want me feel nice? So she said me miss a feel alright. What me say? Miss a feel nice. Tell her for the girl there.
I'm gonna flex, no girl flex.
Told you we now move on for Buju Banton.
Again. I'm in a stop love how the girl them flex. The hand close and make a next girl flex. Me no stop love how the woman never flex. No stop live big and make a next girl. It's like giant food party and the one name and stand first them have been in a sit down pound. Talk about say them a love up your dance. Who you not follow them keep no one other man. But no pay them no mind make time make them work. Can't knock your body them can't do no harm. Them can't wait to pass them to about them. Touch them down to show you in a dance bar. Never call up your name, tap your window. Anytime you see them, you feel kick up and talk about you. No stop love how the girl them flex. The eye close and make a next girl flex. Me no stop love how the woman never flex. No stop being big and make a next girl. But next six you want flex, but six you want bounce. They can't knock your body so make them go and coast. They don't really like to see how you keep your head up. You're in your nice job and them all the days smoke. So them can't be I am for time mash you up, girl with me. Jump around and beat to stomach me. Just love how the girl them flex. They hand close and make a next girl flex. You don't stop love how the woman never flex. Now stop live big and make a next.
On the wicked part.
Not so every time you see your girl you ever look clean. Just up in your chiffon just I just see queen. And some of them just tight in the trend, them a green. Them weak at the park, them can't buy earpin. Then you get your facial and you take care of your skin. Sparkling and the man mention stunning. If looking at your body, woman was gonna sing right now. Put your band down with the impressing. So me just love how the girl them face. Yeah, and close and make a nice girl face. Put your just love how the woman never face. Just stop being big and make a nice girl. It's like childhood party and you want to my friends them have been in a shit down fan. Talk about say them a love how you talk. You and I follow them keep no one like a man. But no pay them no mind, me try make them burn. Can't knock your body, them can't do you no harm. Them can't waste the pass them to a mountain. Touch them down, you through the inner top farm. Them a call up your name and I chat you with that. But you just, you make me have to ball out. And go spoon in your mouth, girl, so how you look good, you make me have to ball out. Look like your man and go spoon in your mouth. When shoot it over the east, you look good. Over the south, you look good. As well work and spend the news all about you. Yeah, you look good, and you're the best without doubt. Now what's the rest about you? We run the route. What I'm talking, it isn't that word I'm out. Yeah, to how you look good, you make me have to scream out. It look like your man and go spoon in your. Yeah, to how you look good, you make me have to ball out. It look like your man and go spoon in your. Watch out, hot your hot. In your own front, hot your hot. Tell a girl dress back, hot your hot. In your own front, hot your hot. You know borrow that now. Just like instead with them idle argument. The whole of them up here non-progressive element. You want move up in life to be independent. Watch me, I gotta watch you make you go and watch you hear me. I gotta chat you make you go and chat. Cause all them a chat you no response to that. You a get big in a life and that's a natural. But look how you look good, you make me have to fall out. It look like your man and go spoon in a you. Can't you how you look good, you make me have to scream out. It look like your man and go spoon in a you. But me say thank you mama. New style, and style can't spoil. And girls them jump and shout out for a while. Watch this. You hear new style, new dance and lift. In your hand in the ear when you rock melody. Move to the jump and make your body kick. Step forward and come up back quick. That's all the new style where the whole place I do. Rap over that some music straight you. Vocal around the place like that. So just rap over that Some of you turn up the I'm sitting on it that after the suburb stay. She can't do it good, but she a got same way. To bring me love how the girl them rock so, deep so, to man them look sweet. Trust me, I don't know enough stand up and see. Up, down, 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 I rock to the beat. Jeremy not try about him already. He better make stuff big, teach him to step all way. One that stiff like this out. Never idiot, I can do good. You hear new sign, you dance a lick. In your hand in the beat, when you rap, when you dip. Move to the drum and make it out. Step forward and come up back. I know some new style where the whole place I do. Rap bogle dance, come music sweet you. Bogle around the place like a she just do bogle dance. Some of you tune up play. Andrea Beverly, them a bogle dancer. Diane can't do it, but she still want follow. She's sweet like a war, but she no cater. She a watch and with them and a move her shoulder. Get the rest of engineer over like a pole. Practice bogle in a bathroom. Come a dance hard and a go like him bad. I seen up him face like him a bogle god, but bogle and the other people. The wickedest dance, so about and jail. Bogle, you should have seen you. Them and you know Japan and tune. I'm playing on the street again. You hear you sign, you dance a lick. In your hand in the ear, then you rock.
Oh, baby, I don't know my lady. I don't know she baby.
Remember these songs?
Yeah. Sometimes I wonder how I never make it to this world that I never knew. I just don't have a clue. And sometimes it seems that this world falls another plane, and there's no way of breaking free. And then I see you reach for me. Sometimes I wanna give up, I wanna give in, I wanna quit the fight. And then I see you, baby, and everything's alright. And everything's alright. When I see you smile, I can face the world. Oh, you know I can do anything. When I see you smile, I see your rings of life. Oh, I see you shining like to the way now. When I see you smile, oh girl, baby, when I see you smile at me, oh baby,
have mercy. Boy, I just say Coca-Cola back a ship, I hit her on the place. Broke out, girl, you have the shape. Coca-Cola back a ship, I hit her on the place. Skin out, girl, you have the shipping at the place. Uptown, girl, I'm the shipping at the place. Downtown, girl, I'm the shipping at the place. London, girl, I'm the shipping at the place. New York, girl, I'm the shipping at the place. Canadian, girl, I'm the shape. I them have the shape and I give man a date. I them have the shape, make man body shake. I them a fling big stone and bust up man face. I them have the shape, cause warring at the plate. I just say Coca-Cola back a shape, I hit her on the place. Rock out, girl, you have the shape. Coca-Cola back a shape, I hit her on the place. Skin out, girl, you have the shape. When them a walk, it's like a earthquake. When them a run the old place, it a shake. But them get so much shape from God they knows. But them look good when them put on them clothes. Man, no stop call to them on the road. Yeah, them at them up the road code. I just say Coca-Cola back a shape, I hit her on the place. Rock out, girl, you have the shape. Coca-Cola back a shape, I hit her on the place. Skin out, girl, you have the shape. When you see them, I say you can't handle it. You have to up to them and say you get it. And them a fling big stone and bust up my face. So you can carry them to the shape. Bow them haunted, kill man and get wanted. You think me respond to them and no lie business. You haunted, kill man and get wanted. Me no respond to you and courthouse business, mama. You murderer, cry a fear, teardrops and water come out and I, mama. You murderer, ball. Him there a courthouse and hear him name call, mama. Him all a sweaty 9 pants when him hear the judge say give him a life sentence, mama. You should have saw him galang when the judge tried the case and said that him fi hang out them haunted, kill man and get wanted. Me no respond to you and no liar business. You haunted, kill man and get wanted. Me no respond to you and courthouse business.
Anyway,
I warn you before certain things go on. The pickaxe and a file and a machine to go for me. I never did want that. But how you want live bigger pay a gun, you want sing like you want to gun kid. Well, watch him every day, no stop program wicked. But him gun pan the finger up it a spin like a gig. The last why try a thing, a 3-piece rapid. Police round him up and rope him up like pig. And in front the judge and start cry like I live, mama. Come check me regular, bring me toothpaste, me soap and no left me me dinner, mama. Come check me regular, bring me pants and me shirt and me marina, mama. Come check me regular, and bring piece of sponge, make me make a pillar, mama. Try take me out, take a bad boy, have me down and spin popular, oh you
Can't forget the Grammy Kid, the king of this.
What?
Rock wine. Sing.
Ling-a-ling-a-ling, dance and swing. DJ hips cock up in the table with them. Ling-a-ling-a-ling, hold them a ring. Knife and fork to fight the dumpling.
Boyka, boyka.
Talk for Shabba ranking, Shabba rocks disappear with them and the man change. So, them are the done to the beats we have the key, put the gun to the key and turn them in the donkey. Yes, them are the done to the beats we have the key, put the gun to the key and turn them in the donkey. Who the thing they are, yes, they came along me. I am the general in the DJ army. But that time I am cross-salty. I sit down and down them pick up and see. And then you go down crazy. Listen, ding-a-ling-a-ling, spoon-ding-a-ling, knife and fork, a fight for dumpling. Reach, call for Shabba ranking. Shabba ranking disappear with your banana man change. So, them are the done to the busy of the key. Put it down to the key and turn them in the dark. Them are the done to the busy of the key. Put it down to the key and turn them in the dark. You see, with the dance a little price of wine. You see, come to fun, girl, wine you want it. You see, if you can wine, you put your man on the party. You see, what feels time when you see your mate. You see, never try just but your mate not ready. You see, your mate look like she a boss money. You see, she a cartoon and she no bread. Girl, I get the loving, you a get the money. You see, come to the class, you full of politics. Tell a lot of girls them don't care. I will be great by the girls them.
Yes, Shabba.
Like Jamaican girls them.
Man.
And the American girls them. And the English girls them. What about the Canadian girls them? All the Japanese girls them. The Caribbean girls them. You should be a little children sing. When I sing, ding-a-ling-a-ling, dance a leg swing. DJ this cock up on the table boom the dim. Ding-a-ling-a-ling, spoon-a-ling-ring. Knife and fork, a fight for dumpling. Talk for Shabba ranking. Shabba ranking, them a the out and run off, gyal a mad over me. Out and run off, gyal a bend over me. Out and run off, gyal a cry over me. Lad, me baby mother say me bad, me too 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 bad. How much gyal alone me alone why have? Make sure you put the same thing in a bag. Put you sweet and put you neat and put you know how to do it. Never do a job and left it incomplete. Put you one time there, your girl spread out like shit. Vital is vital, so a full concrete. Over me, out and run off, gyal a mad over me. Out and run off, gyal a cry over me. Out and run off, gyal a cry over me. Lad, me baby mother say me bad, me too 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 bad, me too. Well, one man have woman all over the place. How can one have high potential get cake? One woman at home, another one awake. A gyal inna the dance a give me nothing but face. Two gyal buck up and a fight and a trace. One gyal a swear me and the next gyal a lace. Gyal come a request me big bad and grave. I say she hear how much me can rape. I tell her over me, out and run off, gyal a mad over me. Out and run off, gyal a cry over me. Out and run off, gyal a die over me. Lad, me baby mother say me bad, me too 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 bad. Kansas City will a 10 gyal me have. What? New York City 15 gyal me have.
What?
LA, a one gyal me have. All of them the gyal they have me baby mother. She say put you be the bad, you too bad, you too bad, you too bad, you too bad, Lord you too bad. How much gyal alone you alone want have? Make sure you dash it in a bag. Over me, out and run off, gyal a mad over me. Out and run off, gyal a die over me. Out and run off, gyal a cry over me. Lord, me baby mother say me bad, me too 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 bad, me too. Well, one man have woman all over the place. How can one have high potential get cake? One woman at home, another one awake. A gyal inna the dance a give me nothing but face. Two gyal buck up and a fight and a trace. One gyal a swear me and the next gyal a lace. Gyal come a request me big bad and grave. I tell her over me, out and run off, gyal a mad over me. Out and run off, gyal a cry over me. Out and run off, gyal a die over me. Lad, me baby mother say me bad, me too 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 bad.
Yo, I said more love, more life, more music. Dread out for now. Yo, just follow the page, and I'll always leave an ad and tell you when I'm going live, all right? Bless family. Thanks for sticking with me. Gone. Okay, let me see if